Hi everyone, time for my regular Jamstack incubation engineering update. It's been a little while because we had our amazing incubation offsite, but I'm back on it again. So what did I do the last couple of weeks? One, I finished up the blog post that shows how to deploy a Remix application to Cloudflare workers using GitLab. It's gained quite an impressive amount of page views in the few days it's been online. So that's looking really, really good. Since that has been so successful, and because I'm still getting a lot of views on my last tutorial video on how to deploy static sites with pages, I've decided I'll record the same instructions for Remix as a video for people who prefer tutorials by video. So I've just created and published this how-to video to GitLab Unfiltered. Let's see if that gets some traction. This means I've now completed the iteration where I'm documenting the Remix deployment to the edge how it is today. And I'm now focusing on developing the integration. So far I had tried to utilize GitLab integrations to build the integration with, but after this setup, I think I'll need a more tailored setup screen so that the user can select stuff like, what's their domain? Do they already have one? Do they want to connect DNS? I fear that by trying to force that into the integration framework that's more tailored towards things like outgoing webhooks, I might end up with a confusing user interface. So I'm now pivoting towards creating a separate UI and model for this. And the last track that I'm working on is community engagement. So far, I've been trying to just be present and engage in existing community conversations because there's already tons of them. But that wasn't at all sufficient to get that engagement back. So I really need to amp up my game here. I've had some success during my switch from Twitter to Mastodon that allowed my posts to increase in visibility thanks to the absence of an algorithm. And secondly, I want to build some more real-world connections, so I'm planning to create a Jamstack meetup locally in Hamburg just to make stuff happen. Alright, this was it for today's update. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep warm if there's winter where you are. I'll catch you later. See ya. Goodbye.